Namaskar friends. Friends, let us talk about the 10th house. What are the body parts which is related to the 10th house? The relations and the general items and general things. So the body part which is related to the 10th house are legs up to knee joint and knee joint. And then the relations is the father when the child becomes independent of the father and the boss. And the general things are name, fame and position, your status. So you are doing a job or you are doing a business, what is your status? Like you are doing a job. So whether you are a clerk or a head clerk or at an administrative post or an officer or a politician or whatever. So that is the position, you are an assistant manager, etc. or CEO or president, vice president, secretary, whatever. So this is seen from the 10th house. And now let us try to understand what other things 10th house tells and how we use it, right? So this is the 10th house in the northern Indian chart, right? So now let us try to understand it by example. For example, Sagittarius is the sign in the 10th house. So 12th sign will be in the ascendant. So Jupiter will be signifying 1 and 10. So this 10th house, which gives name, fame and position, is opposite to the relations, is not positive for relations. Suppose the Jupiter goes into the 6th house, so it will signify 116. So these three houses become opposite to the combination of marriage, 2, 7 and 11. 1 is 12 from 2nd, 6th is 12 from 7th, 10th is 12 from 11. So it is negative for marriage. After marriage it signifies divorce or separation from the spouse, and it is good for nature. It is not good for nature also, it is cold nature. Reason? The separation only when will be there when there will be no sentiments attached. Similarly, if Jupiter goes into the 4th house, so it will signify 1, 4, 10. So this is 1, 4, 10 is 12 from 2, 5, 11. So 1, 4, 10 is also detrimental for the childbirth. It is signify lesser sperm in the male and problem in the females for conceiving. So this is 1, 4, 10. So 10th house may be positive for profession. Like same Jupiter, if it goes into the 11th house, so it will give the combination 1 and 11. So it is extraordinary for professional life. It will give lot of rise. 10 is status, 11 is gain of status, 1 is self. So if 10 is with any other house, even with any negative house, with 12, with 8 or even with 6, it gives positive results financially, not relation wise. So relation wise 10th house is bad, but professional wise it is good. 10th is status, 12 is expenditure, you will spend money, you will get status or you will be able to earn money. For example, a person is a shopkeeper, if he sells something, so he will have to first purchase it. 8, 10 is getting legacy, 6, 10 is good for job. One gets a good job if combination 6 is with 10 or 2 is with 10, 3, 10 is also good. So 10 is everywhere good for the profession, status, name and fame, but is not good for relationships. Thank you very much.